Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am going to be sharing a Christmas craft supply haul. Let's hop into it. I'm super excited about today's video. I am going to give you a little preview about things to come here on my channel. If you're new, welcome, and to those of you who've been sticking around for a while, I'm super happy to have you all back. And I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and tap the bell to keep up to date with everything that I have to share. I've got lots of inspiration to share with you all. Oh, let's get into the haul. Okay, so the first little selection is actually from Michael's. They had a 50% off coupon. Now, there wasn't a whole lot that I wanted, but they had all their Christmas stuff out, and I really liked this bush. It's got glitter and some pine cones. It is plastic, but I thought this would be great to use in the backdrop of my videos coming up. A lot of my stuff is still packed away. So I just wanted a little bit of evergreen, so I thought this would be great. I used my coupon on this. It was originally $14, so I got it for $7. And then they also had all their Artist Loft paints, acrylic paints. This one is actually modeling paste. I got this because I thought it would be great to give texture, like say snow or what have you. So I thought it would be fun to try this out, and it was $3.50. And then I couldn't resist, but they had this beautiful vintage Christmas paper pad. It's a hot buy, and it's called Classic Vintage. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I'll do a little flip through for you all. Gorgeous houses. And then there's like word banner, music sheet, branches, lots of different words, a very vintage retro feel to this. That's all numbers. So you can make like a calendar. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. This is like postcards. Whoop, sorry about that. Candy canes. There's a little bit of glitter on here and there. Oh, that's got to be my favorite. It's got the vintage deer. Snowflakes with glitter. Bells. Santa taking off. Anyway, so a beautiful, beautiful paper pad. I am really looking forward to using that. Okay, here in Canada, we have a dollar store called Your Dollar Store with More. So one of the things they had was this Deco Art glitter paint, and it's called Clear Ice Comet. It's beautiful. You can see there, it's a mixture of chunky glitter and microfine glitter. So I love to put glitter on my ornaments. And then I also got these silver paper foil cups for paper crafting and some possible ornaments. I'm going to be playing around with those. A few other items that I got were these gingerbread type wood houses. You can get these at Dollar Tree as well, but I like to try support local whenever I can, so I picked these up at Your Dollar Store with More, and I got 3 of those. And then to go with those, I got these wood trees, and I purchased 6. These ones come with a stand. Now, I know Dollar Tree has some wood trees as well, but these are a different shape, as you can see. So again, I got 6 of those. I got some craft projects for my son to work on. He likes to make these for his grandmas. Cute snowman, cute penguin. And then I always like to keep in my stash some white air dry clay. it kind of has a foam type feeling when it's dry, but I love to keep this on hand for different types of projects. I create toadstool mushrooms ornaments using this. I can link the video for you down in the description box. It's a really, really cute ornament DIY that I did last Christmas and love, love, love them. But yeah, this is the stuff that I had used for that. I was super excited to see that they also had these wood slices. They are about 4 inches in diameter, and I purchased 6 of those for some different projects over the Christmas season. These would be great for making as gifts. And then I was, again, super excited. They had mini cloches. Ugh, mini! I thought that was so awesome. These were like $2.25 each. Their prices are a little bit higher, but it saves me a trip from running into the next city to me that has Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I have never seen these at Dollar Tree. I don't know if they're going to be getting them in or not. So I picked up 3 of these to create some cute ornaments with. So definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, on to Dollarama. I've been eyeing this for a while. It is an owl wall hanging, and it's got these really cute wood embellishments. Got the leaves, the mushroom. I thought this would be really fun to try and use at Christmas time. I'm gonna play around with it. I have an idea in mind for it. Again, I don't know if it's gonna work. I thought it would be great to have in my stash for now. And if the project works out, I will definitely share that with you all. All right, so Dollarama had an amazing selection of scarves. I got the black and white buffalo check. I already have the red buffalo check. And then I got these 2 plaid patterns. One's black, red, and white. The other one's navy blue, light blue, and white. Now, Dollarama has had these for a while. They're $2 a package, and they are the wood planks. There's a package of 6. I thought these would be really fun to create some signs. And then they had these paper flowers again. I didn't have any of the red, dark pink, and the burgundy, so I wanted to get these to keep in my stash for the Christmas season. Okay, now on to Dollar Tree. This has got to be my favorite find. It is a mug, and it's got the trailer on it. Isn't that adorable? I just thought it was so cute. I absolutely love it. Definitely going to be using this for the Christmas season with my tea and coffee. And then along with that, I got the trailer ornaments. I thought these would be really fun to alter, so I'm going to try that out. And then I also purchased the doors. And the funny thing is, I had planned this year to make my own door ornaments. When I walked into Dollar Tree and saw that they already had them, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to save myself the trouble and just buy them. And then I'm going to alter these. So definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, so they had village pieces. I myself don't need any village pieces. I have a lot of my own. But just so you know, they do have a lot of village pieces. And amongst that, they had figurines and they also had trees. So I got the bottle brush trees in glittered white, and then they had 2 different styles of the green. I got this one that's got this snow, and it's a little bit of a thicker greenery. I got 2 packages of each. And now is the time to get these lanterns. They have had the mini lanterns in the past. I was so excited that they had them in a larger size. I altered the minis last year, so I will link that in the description box as well, so you can check that out. But I'm super excited to alter these. How fun will that be for Christmas time? Okay, so I also stocked up on some gravel. I like to use these in my sock gnomes as well as my fabric pumpkins and different things like that where you just need a little bit of extra weight on the bottom. This is what I use. And then I also stocked up on the coppered wire lights. They have them in the 16 light strand now. Use these all the time at Christmas. I also got the tumbling tower blocks. I have a few different project ideas for these. What a great price to get little pieces of wood. And then I also got deco mesh. Again, something that I don't typically purchase, but I like to try and make different shakers, and I thought this would be really, really pretty to use as a snowy sky, such as a snow globe or what have you. So I got the white and the blue with the snowflakes. So I'm really excited to try those out. And then I was really excited to see that they had the Christmas words, peace, joy, and believe. And I got 3 packages of those. I also purchased the stencils, the most wonderful time of the year, and let it snow. That's what the backs look like. I haven't bought these yet before, and I was really excited to see that they had 2 different sizes. The galvanized pots with the twine. Great for Christmas time, absolutely great. You can put plants in these or put together little gift baskets or put some evergreens, topiaries, so many different projects. I'm really looking forward to using these, as well as the tall version. So fun, really excited to try these out. I went a little crazy with the ribbons. This one is white glittered. This one was found in the Christmas section. And then they had these, and this is the first time I've ever seen it. It's like a dark holographic glittered ribbon. I found this with their everyday craft, but isn't that just gorgeous? So beautiful. As well as, it's almost like I want to say a peach and white. I don't want to say pink because it doesn't quite look pink to me. Got 2 rolls of that. So beautiful. And then they had champagne gold in the fine glitter. And then they also had fine pink, like kind of like a dusty rose almost, not quite. And they also had this like sateen. So that's all my craft supplies that I purchased for this year. I shouldn't need any more than that. If I do, then it's just because I couldn't resist. I have lots to share with you all, so please stay tuned for all of the good stuff coming up. Thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.